Hey students, I hope all of you has got your deserved score, deserved percentile and deserved rank, and many of you really feel proud of yourself that you have been able to improve your performance from what you did in January and what you have got now. So a lot of you have given us a request, so we are looking for something for a quick revision of JEE Advanced. You know that we are already running the batch for JEE Advanced. Now for especially for you guys, for today and tomorrow, the advanced crash course is again gotten off by 2000 rupees. आपको 2000 रुपए का और डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है. उसमें आपको मैथ्स का क्रैश कोर्स मिलेगा. Plus, side by side, you will also get the JEE Advanced test series that will comprise of all the three subjects, full syllabus test, everything you will get in that. Link is in the description box. Please go out and check. The offer is valid till 30th April only, so decide accordingly. So if you are looking for a test series, now you have the beautiful option of getting the test series along with one of the best online math crash course फॉर JEE एडवांस. सो प्लीज अगर आप अभी भी कंफ्यूज थे, बैठे थे, या फिर वो पोटेंशियल होता है ना एक अंदर से कि सर आग नहीं आ रही थी काम करने की, राइट? नाउ इज द पॉइंट दैट इफ यू हैव गॉट द रिजल्ट, वॉट एवर द रिजल्ट माइट बी पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, यू हैव योर पेपर इन द मंथ फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून. नाउ यू हैव कंप्लीट 1 month. लेट्स टारगेट JEE एडवांस फुल ऑन. एंड बिलीव मी गाइस, व्हेन आई से फुल ऑन, उसका इंपॉर्टेंट टारगेट क्या है कि आपको टेस्ट जरूर देने हैं. तो टेक इट एज दिस कि दैट यू आर गेटिंग फुल फ्लेजेड टेस्ट सीरीज along with the math crash course from the best in the industries for your quick revision in 1 month. Please do not miss out this opportunity. We will not be able to extend this offer in the month of May. So hope you get benefit from this. And yes, the money back guarantee is also again valid on this offer, that whatever rank you will get, and accordingly we will give you 100% refund, 50%, 25% refund. You can check the website for the same. And best wishes for all the upcoming exam. There is BITSAT, there is JEE Advanced, there is Web JEE coming along, and there are multiple exams that are coming. This is just the beginning. Even if it has not gotten in your favor, I would just tell you that please मेहनत करते रहिए. रिजल्ट अभी और भी हैं जो आने बाकी हैं, उनको टारगेट करेंगे. गॉड ब्लेस.